Hello, thank you for tuning in. I want to do a quick update on this Wurkkos TS11 flashlight. This is a great flashlight. I'm not reviewing it on this video. If you're interested, I just recently did a review of it and you can check out that video on my channel. What I have here today is an extension tube that I ordered because when Wurkkos sent that in for review, they didn't have this in that same warehouse. The extension tube is available on Amazon as well as on the Wurkkos website, and I already checked it out, and I think that you definitely should get it if you get this flashlight, which if you want a compact thrower, this is a very strong competitor on the market currently, especially for its price range. Very good flashlight. Now only thing is it doesn't really have a long run time with its 18350 battery. It has claimed 1100 amp hours, but if you get the extension tube, then you can place an 18350 in there with 3000 milliamp hours or whatever type of capacity that you have in your battery. And the way that works is you just unscrew the smaller tube that's for this battery, and you place this one in. The other cool thing that this the option that this gives you is for this clip, which the smaller tube does not have. So you can place a clip in here. I didn't realize that when I was purchasing this, which I purchased this on the Wurkkos website, by the way. So always check both places, the website of the manufacturer as well as Amazon or any other retail store that you may be using. Quite often the websites of the companies have better discounts than they have on the retail stores, so check out both places. One more thing, this did not come lubed, so I need to put some lube on here so that the rubber holds up well, it doesn't crack up after a time, while the smaller tube, when I received the flashlight, I was actually pleasantly surprised. This was lubed on both sides, so that's good. So what I've noticed, first of all, this flashlight has very good machining on the threads and on the exterior as well, and it is kind of chunky aluminum. It's not thin, and it is nice to hold, but it is not, at the same time, it's not heavy, it's quite light. They've maintained that light construction here as well. Well, aluminum is light, so I just want to show you what the difference is. You would think maybe twice as heavy, but not really. So we have 12 grams and then 17 grams. So not 24 or 20, 17 grams. This is chubbier. So let's place it in. I think I'll be using it on this configuration just because I don't pocket carry this flashlight, and this option allows me for much longer run time. The flashlight doesn't really get hot. You can put it on turbo for a long time. You know, it does step down and then ramps back up, etc. It has temperature control. But because of the size of the body of the flashlight, it doesn't get hot much. Anyway, there we go. I just wanted to show you this. It's not much heavier. It just, well, the battery itself also, you might be interested. So let's check that out. So how much is the weight difference, including the battery? Because only the tubes have 5 gram difference. So 34 and then 62, so almost double the weight. But I'll quickly also show you total, I guess, total weight. With this we have 143. And I guess I don't really have to screw this in every time. $116 and $143 for the total weights. Okay, thank you again for watching. I strongly recommend that if you do get that light, make sure you get it with the extension tube, because you'll have that option. And stay tuned, I've got more products coming into review. I'm currently working on changing the sheath on that one. I need to review this one, a really cool DC53 knife from AliExpress. I have high hopes for this. And I need to finish up this beautiful Puranvasi Wurkkos. I just need to put a sheath on it. The knife is done. Stay tuned. Thank you. More content to come soon.